tattoo work?
Yeah, he's right over there.
I'm winning, girls. I'm winning. I can't believe it.
You walked in expecting Dame Judi Dench? We got Dame Tila Tequila. Hi. Hi. Are we hugging?
Yes, we're hugging. Good.
All right. Nice to see you. What's your name?
SJ.
SJ.
Sweet and
I'm DV. This is RR.
Wait a minute. She calling me ugly? Isn't the phrase tall, dark, and handsome?
So I put the call out
Right.
because I need something removed. And it's not my last husband.
How did I guess she had a string of husbands?
I used to be a cougar.
This grandma's starting to make me blush. Luckily, I got this baby to help hide it.
So what brings you to Vegas?
Well, when I was very wild, not that I'm not so wild now, but
Yeah, you seem so subdued now.
I know, and I'm a matronly
You
type.
can just come out of your shell
I
and
know.
tell
Well,
us a
honey, I
story.
just turned 65 years old, baby.
What the hell are you saying? I thought I was going to have to mind my P's and Q's.
Now this is a grandma who takes her vitamins.
I'm a grandma now,
Yeah.
and the family is like, Mom, don't you think you could do something about that tattoo? Every time your pants fall, the kids all say something about it, and I'm like,
You know, a belt might fix that. I'm just throwing that out there.
I don't have a booty.
Grandmas aren't supposed to have booties. They're supposed to have knitting needles and fresh baked cookies and friends named Agnes.
I think for respectable sake,
Sure,
just as the kids get older, they
Okay,
see my
I'll
booty
fix
go,
the tattoo.
they go, Bobby, your booty's showing. Your booty, Bobby. And
Is it on your butt?
butt crack. And there ain't much booty there anyway. So
I've heard of girls gone wild, but grandma's gone wild.
it's above the butt crack, and I want to do something with it, change it, fix it, so it doesn't look so ridiculous.
I can't wait to see this outrageous tattoo. I'm looking
Okay.
forward to it.
All right, cool.
You don't want to do it right here.
Sure, I don't mind doing it right here. What are you kidding me?
What I meant was, let's do it right here.
All right, you cool with that?
If you're not comfortable, we'll just drop off.
Okay, here. Let me just take it off here. What do you think? What do you guys think?
Oh my God.